if I am asked to work in an infirm school and spend money over people who are lame, deaf and dumb, there are two ways of thinking at it. I may rejoice that I am helping so many infirm people. See what a useful work it is. It is very good that I am useful for so many people. That is how we think when we begin our training in the third stage of existence. It is good because it is a good incentive for us to begin the work. In the beginning stages, unless we have the incentives that many people are being benefited by us, we never begin to do good things. But after certain time, we come to realize the truth of it. When I am working in the infirm school and when many people are being helped through me, it is helpful to me in purifying my vehicles. Because whenever a good deed is done through us, the benefit is our purification and our joy of the vehicles. Whenever we do a good thing, we have the benefit of doing it, and the benefit to others is not due to us, because even in my absence, someone will do the same thing. Sometimes someone may do it better. If I work as a professor in a college, what happens if I come away from my job? Do the students go helpless? It is false. The truth is, someone will do my work many times better than what we do. But what is the benefit of myself working as the professor? It is getting my vehicles purified and expanded. The experience of any good thing done is for the benefit of the one who does it, not for others. Then we enter into the plane called Nirvanic plane. Life becomes impersonal, virtues become impersonal, and no more the virtues have a marketing value, because virtues form part of your happiness. You cannot behave otherwise, because you cannot be happy if you behave otherwise. It is for your own happiness that you behave virtuous. This is what is called the Nirvanic plane, in which plane you will understand the real meaning of the word I am. Because previously, I am means the physical vehicle, and in it the life force is working, in it the mind is working, and the mind is feeling I am. The meaning of I am is this vehicle. That was the meaning when we were in the first three planes of existence. Therefore, in our view, everyone is a separate I am. I am different from yourself, because in that body you are there, in this body I am there, in that body Madam is there. So, I am number 1, I am number 2, I am number 3. In every body we feel a little I am separately. Millions and millions of little fellows saying I am to everyone. So, he says I am right, but she says I am right. There are two rights, a fight for rights. In my opinion, she says, sweets are good to health. And she says, in my opinion, acids are good for health. And he says, there is truth in what he says. She says, there is truth in what she says. According to them, truth means their opinion. So, there are as many millions of truth in this world as there are heads on human necks. This is mock truth. That is how we live when we are in the first three planes of existence. Gradually, you will find that all these vehicles, millions and millions of vehicles, are like little flasks and bottles or vessels placed in a river. In each flask there is water, and the name of the river is I am. And in each flask there is a little of I am. And all the flasks are in I am. And in every flask there is I am. Now, when you come to this fifth stage, this will be the meaning of your word I am. Whenever you utter the word I am,